Good evening. Karen Read's defense team already included some of the most high-profile attorneys in the country. Now she's bringing on a relatively inexperienced local lawyer with a personal connection to the case. When the court clerk randomly chose two alternates at the end of Karen Read's first trial, one of those alternates seemed visibly frustrated to have to exit the jury box. Now, in a notice filed with the court, that juror, Victoria Brophy George, has officially announced she's coming back for Read's retrial, this time joining part of the team that will be defending Read against charges she killed John O'Keefe.
I can't say that I've ever heard of this circumstance, but then there are many instances in this case where we're breaking new ground.
On the State Bar's website, George is described as having worked as a civil attorney, mainly handling employment cases. There's no mention of any criminal law experience. Legal analyst Martha Coakley predicts George will likely serve as a jury consultant for Read's four other attorneys.
And I'm sure that she can give them some good guidance as a jury consultant might as to how the questions appeared, what the process was like, what her own thought process was like.
During the first trial, George seemed to follow testimony closely and often expressed her reaction. The day after being chosen as an alternate, as I noted on social media at the time, she returned to the courtroom and appeared to be crying. George did not participate in the closed-door discussions that ended in a hung jury and a mistrial. Now, unlike Karen Read's out-of-state attorneys, Victoria George is licensed here in Massachusetts, so she does not need the judge's permission to participate in this retrial. Meanwhile, the judge has now expanded the protest zone around the buffer zone around the courthouse. During the first trial, that buffer zone extended out 200 feet. For Read's retrial, the judge is adding the area around a nearby park and some nearby streets. She wants to make sure that jurors inside the courthouse are not influenced by anything they might see or hear from outside. Live in Dedham, David Bieniek, WCVB News Center 5.